What?
Did you label your left shoe?
I did, actually, yes.
Why?
Because I don't know my lefts and rights. You see the words that I have written upon my boots? Your mom, because it makes mad. But also,
That's great.
I didn't have enough letters for right. I was gonna wear my white t-shirt underneath the crop top, but it's not through the laundry yet. But that would be a way to make it a little bit more modest. I feel like I should explain my choice of words to put on my shoes. Ignore bad lighting. So for this one, it's supposed to read, your mom. So everyone else, like, it's facing that direction, so other people reading it will see your mom. I've done this because it bothers my sister that I say this. And I think it's funny. It's like that meme, like, oh, I started saying this as a joke, but it's not a joke anymore. So now I genuinely reply to people as your mom. I'm almost like a 12-year-old boy. It's not the vibes. But for my other shoe, this was the original plan. I don't know my lefts and rights. I was gonna put left and right, but the letter, literally my new, bag of letter beads didn't have any H's or R's. As you can see, the R that I have here, I had to Sharpie on. That was so dumb. I feel like kids like that should have one of each letter at least, and then more of the popular ones. I can't even spell my own name because I'm missing some very specific letters. But at least I have one, because then I'll know, oh, that's my left side. That's why it's facing, I can read it, but other people won't be able to, because it's my left, so then I know what it is. But yeah, I'm quite happy actually with all of the things that I have created. Basically within the last half hour at most. I just randomly started doing stuff. I wanted to put chains on these boots for a while. I got these last Christmas, I think, the boots. I've wanted to put chains on them basically since I got them. The gloves, oh my gosh, the lighting here is so freaking bad. Ignore the tripod. The gloves, they do shed a little bit and they do look a little fluffy where I cut them, but I'm too lazy to sew them, so I'm just gonna have to deal with it. These were from the dollar store anyways, it doesn't really matter. I prefer real leather ones, but I'm broke, so I'm not gonna afford that. I do already have, wow, the lighting here is so bad, a hip chain thingy. I think they're called wallet chains. Oh my gosh. There's 2 of them. But I thought maybe like having an extra would be nice, especially if it's just one string of chains. I kind of like this style with like the little bit goth, a little bit gangster, a little bit emo, a little bit grunge. We'll never know what it really is. But the funny thing is, this is the dress I'm actually wearing today. It's inside out. I just have so many different styles. I'm just like a weird mix of all of the styles that I find pretty. That's why Persephone, like the Greek goddess Persephone, is one of my like fashion role models because she's simultaneously the queen of the underworld and the goddess of spring. So, you know, queen of underworld vibes, goddess of spring vibes, you know? I've been rambling. Bye.